beauties, welcome back to another Spruce News video. So today I'm going to be creating this midnight blue eye makeup look for you using the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. I've used this palette before, but I've never dipped into like the blue purple shades, so I thought I'd play around with that today, and I put a poll out on Twitter and you guys have opted for a blue look, so voila, here we go. So if you want to find out how I created this eye look, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first shade that I'm going to dip into is this one right here, which is just a neutral brown shade, and what I'm going to do with that is just blend it into my crease. This is called Nana, and this is from the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just literally going to slowly blend that into my crease. It's fine if you go onto your lid because we are going to actually cut the crease. And this is just the base of the eye really. I've already primed the eye, so I primed the eye with some concealer. Just use whatever primer you like, but I like to prime my eye with a concealer. I find it a lot better. So when that is done, literally just a really light layer. I'm going to take my RCMA palette and I'm going to dip into this shade right here and just cut my crease, or just conceal my entire lid again. I did put a poll out on Twitter to ask what colours you guys would like to see, and blue was one of the most popular shades, so I thought I would try something, with like a bluey purple shade today, which is why I created this look right here, and I'm actually liking it. I think it looks really nice. Now that's done, I'm going to take a small flat brush. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes with the palette, and I'm going to dip into this gorgeous dual chrome shimmer shade, which is called Phaso, and it's like a purpley pinky shimmer shade. I'm just going to take the flat end of the brush, dip into the shade and just put it into my inner corner of my eye and just bring it in probably about a quarter of the way in. And just pat it on there. You can build up the pigment as you go along, which is what I do. It's just literally pat and then drag it slightly. And then I'm going to take another flat brush and I'm going to dip into this really deep midnight bluey purple shade right here. This is called Ife or Life, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's an LFE. I have no idea, I'm useless with these shades. I've just covered my flat brush and I'm literally just going to pat it in from the outer corner until it meets that shimmer shade. It's fine if you get it a little bit messy underneath your eye, we can clean that up afterwards. Always best when you're using dark colours to do your eye makeup first before you apply any foundation, because I don't know about you, but I get it everywhere. You slowly want to kind of like dig it into the crease a little bit and then just bring it to meet that shade in the centre. And what you'll find is that it slowly changes colour where the two shades meet, which creates like a really nice shimmery blue shade. So now that I've done that with the flat brush, I'm going to take a smaller brush and using the same shade, I'm going to blend it slowly into my crease and then to meet the shimmer shade. Because what we want to do is we actually want to bring that colour up and across slightly. So I'm pleased with the intensity. I'm going to take the flat brush that had a phaser one, which is a shimmer shade, and I'm literally just going to go over it to intensify that and just dragging it more into the centre, just to create, see how you get a lighter blue shade? That's what we want in the centre of the eye, like so. And then we're going to take the first blending brush that we used that had Nana on, which was the beigey shade. I'm not going to apply anything, but I'm literally just going to dust over the edges just to blend that in more. just to smokes it out slightly, but it also gets rid of any harsh lines. And then we're going to take the small shade that had Life on, which is the really nice purpley blue shade, and just apply it underneath the lower lashes, just in the centre, like so. So now that's all done, I'm going to tidy up my eye makeup, apply the rest of my makeup, and then I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look. That's it guys, this is the final makeup look. I really love how it's turned out. I love the midnight blue, I love the obviously this shimmer of purple, which actually looks a bit silver. I think it looks really lovely, and I think it would work so well for an evening look, or if you really want an intense eye makeup look, this would be perfect for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!